I got these FUNLOGY little speakers. I turn off and back on. They're simple, basic, cheap speakers. And this is my first time listening to them. So some DRM-free music. Oh, sound device needs to be set. Okay, after a little bit of troubleshooting, it was my computer, not the speakers. Back to the copyright-free music. I have listened to this song many times from not necessarily the most expensive speaker headphone setup, but a lot. I can tell you it's not, it is not a full sound. For doing very simple things, like I do a little bit of editing, typically this kind of editing. I watch the occasional YouTube video. Typically it's talking, not necessarily music. If I want better, I'll typically go to my headphones, or alternatively, I have a better pair of headphones that I'll listen to. These are very low, at least in my opinion, very low quality headphones. They sound like the uppers, the vocals, the I can't think of the word, but like the top end of the music. It sounds really good. Nothing like I like normal music. You have this range. I would say it's like that. So I would say it's like the top 25%. Just from listening to this, my opinion, music, and a lot of this is subjective, but just my opinion with listening to about a minute's worth of content from these. I'll continue to try them, and if I don't like them, then we'll see. But if I end up liking them, then we'll see.